Hello, and welcome back to the VR world. In this video, I'm going to show you easy steps to access an amazing episode of the Kingdom of Plants series. This episode is called Queen of the Night. It's a passive experience, which means you just get to sit back and relax while you watch a really cool, immersive, high-quality video about plants. I'm going to head over to the couch and get comfortable. Okay, once you're comfortable and ready to watch the Queen of the Night series, you'll probably need headphones if you're not in a quiet environment in order to get the full effect of this passive VR experience. When you're ready, click on the right thumb menu button. So it's not A, it's not B, it's not the joystick, it's that oval-shaped white button in the bottom right corner of your controller. It shows you your menu. You want to go to the app library. You want to find and select the MetaQuest TV app. Next, you want to select the correct episode, and there are multiple on this device. The purple one, Queen of the Night, that's the focus of this mission. You can access it in two ways. You can access it selecting Your Media, or you could select Saved. Since we're already at the Your Media option, we'll just click the trigger button. Boom. Get it started.